All right, folks, buckle up as we journey into the captivating world of the art of queuing and the drama of cutting in line. It's a daily encounter for all of us, right? Remember that time at the airport? You see a colossal line, and there's always that one person who thinks they can just breeze to the front. It's maddening. Just last summer, I found myself at an amusement park. The anticipation was palpable as I stood in line for a roller coaster that seemed to tower over the clouds. And just as I was within striking distance, this guy sidled up to the front as if he owned the place. Can you believe it?
Wow, that's intense. I can only imagine the internal rage. It feels like a personal offense, you know? Does that happen often? Like, what do you think makes people think they can just cut in line? Are there deeper cultural meanings behind it?
Great observation. In many cultures, particularly in the UK, cutting in line is not just frowned upon, it's almost a crime against humanity. They have a term for it. Jumping the queue. I recall a friend of mine who lived in London sharing a tale where he was politely lined up at a bus stop. When someone attempted to cut ahead, he quipped, "Excuse me, do you have a time machine?" Now that might sound a tad theatrical, but it underscores how seriously people take this matter.
I can only picture the awkwardness that must have ensued. I mean, did the guy stammer out an apology or just bolt? Laughs.
Oh, exactly. The poor soul probably took off like a rocket. There's this unspoken code of conduct surrounding queuing. If you cut, it's like wearing a badge that says, "I lack respect for social order." This raises significant questions about respect and our consideration for one another.
Oh, wow. It feels like there's this entire universe of social etiquette involved, huh? I remember being in Japan, where people wait in lines with such precision, it was almost like witnessing an art performance. It was nothing short of mesmerizing. But why does cutting in line trigger such strong reactions, though? It's just standing, right?
An excellent point. Waiting gracefully in line represents patience, a value cherished in many cultures. When someone jumps ahead, they seem to bypass that virtue. It's akin to students who cheat on exams. They might achieve the grade, but miss out on the priceless learning experience.
That's a really interesting perspective. So it's deeper than merely cutting. It's about the essence of integrity and values, right? But what if someone has a legitimate reason, like rushing due to a medical emergency? Doesn't that change the dynamics a bit?
Totally. That's a perfect example. When someone is genuinely in distress, most of us instinctively make way for them. It reflects our innate compassion. But when someone cuts just for convenience, that's where the real tension lies. Think of it as a microcosm. A line becomes a reflection of society, showcasing our best and worst.
Whoa, that's really deep. It's almost philosophical. What if lines didn't exist, though? Wouldn't that throw everything into absolute chaos?
Haha, it definitely would. Picture a world devoid of lines. It would resemble a chaotic stampede. But that may also echo the social inequalities we navigate every day. Lines aren't just about fairness. They provide crucial order amidst life's hustle.
Wow, that's so profound. It's like we're pulling apart the very fabric of queuing. Who knew it could be so philosophical? So, are there any life hacks for handling the anxiety when someone cuts in front of you?
Absolutely. If you find yourself faced with a queue cutting situation, take a deep breath. If you feel up for it, say something gentle like, "Hey, the line starts back there." It's crucial to balance assertiveness with tactfulness.
Got it. So, be like a lighthouse in a stormy sea. That's brilliant. But what if they react negatively or aggressively? Would that complicate things?
Exactly. Sometimes, situations might escalate. If that's the case, it might be best to step away. Your tranquility is what really matters, right? Just like those serene beaches of Hawaii that I dream about while waiting. It's all about the blissful vibes, not a showdown.
Haha, absolutely. Who wants to transform a holiday into a reality TV drama, right? But hey, Let's loop Sarah into this conversation. She's got some incredible insights that could really illuminate these cultural nuances.